This is Excel Hero. So today we'll be discussing about histogram. So I have here few definitions of histogram. So it's a diagram consisting of rectangles whose area is proportional to the frequency of a variable and whose width is equal to the class interval. So class interval means, let's say, 23 to 25. So 23 here is under that class interval. Then we will summarize the data, what we have learned in here in my video. Okay, so the purpose of histogram chambers is to graphically summarize the distribution of a univariate data set. Okay, so univariate data set, this is a univariate data set. This is a set of observations. Let's say this one here, we have an age 23 and this is 36. But univariate data can also be derived from observations like the temperature, like that. Okay, so the histogram graphically shows the following center. Okay, so let's go. So you have to delete this one. I mean, you just have to. Okay, so now we will use the how to do it. Okay, so we have to have an histogram. For example, we have here data about age. This is just a sample data. Okay, so I have to insert here. Click on the insert and then choose the histogram. And then choose the data. Okay, shift end and um, down arrow. Okay, so let's check. Where's that? Okay, so we have created here a histogram. We have here. So I have to change this one. Make it look analyzing, not difficult to analyze. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so I have to check what's the average of this. What's the average of the average? Okay, the average is 28. So here, this is where the average belongs. So there. This has a lot of this has a lot of modes in here. Okay, so you can see from here. You can see from the data that it is skewed to the right. So we can analyze here that most of the collected data age from 26 to 28 years old, and only few of them are 40 to 42 years old, 38 to 45 years old. Okay, so most of them, uh, this is the frequency. Okay, so now we have here the distribution of age. Okay, so we have specified here in this column here. This is where the average falls onto. Okay, you can make it this one to show this one to higher colors. Or you can make this one green to stand out. Okay, so and we're finished with having a making a histogram for the age. Now we'll check the weight. Let's check the. Let's now make a histogram about weight. So okay, so this is the histogram. It's not the data. Let's have to write this one here. Okay, so check the data here. Shift and down arrow. It's easy as that. Okay, so this is more of a normal distribution compared to the age. Okay, you can see from that. Okay, okay, so we have to change this one to this one. Okay, so in order to, you can also change this one into the set of class these intervals. So the lowest is the 100. The lowest weight is 150, and the interval is 150 to 158. So we can change this one to press right click and then format access. So win width is 8.6. I have to change it to 10. Okay, there. By tens, we got the perfect bill chord. Okay, so just had to fix this one a little bit, add some details. Okay, so this is the frequency of weight. I have here the finished uh, histogram chart of the distribution of weight. So here we have here the frequency of weight, and then here the x-axis are the weights, and we make it by tens, the class interval. Okay, so it has a bill curve distribution. So it means this the set of data collected has a normal distribution. Okay, so this one here are the outliers. Okay, so that's all. And if you think this video is helpful in your Excel journey, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.